Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Wednesday, July the 8th, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus: a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I think 5 or 6. I do not know how many, but we will start first with this one, this regular binary Sudoku. And before I start, I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 5 O's and 5 1's. So let's get started. We see here between 2 1's comes an O, between 2 1's comes an O, double 1, here an O, and there an O. Then a double O, here 1, there 1, double O, here 1, there 1, a double O, here 1, there 1, between 2 O's comes a 1, a double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. And look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Let me count. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place, we have 4 O's. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed. That is one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Then double one here and O, then O, double O here and one, then one. Yeah. Then I think I need to compare some rows or columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 4 O's. Alright. This is one. 011. Do we have 011? No. Let me scan. Double O. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. We have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1, then 1. Then let's continue here. 4 ones. If I place the 1 here, the 5th one, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. Should be an O. Double O here, 1, then 1. The 5th one, so this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1 here, and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Double 1 here and O, then O, double O here and 1, then 1, double 1 here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. So the rest are O's, double O here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Finished in 8 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.